Hey everyone, in this video, I'll explain how to use the SuperConstruct Meeting Bot to automatically join, record, and analyze your meetings. To get started, log into SuperConstruct, select your company, navigate to the required project, and open the Documents module. Click on Create, then select Meeting Minutes. Enter a title for your meeting and click on Create, and you'll be landed on the Meeting Minutes page. Here on the right side panel, you'll find the Meeting Bot section. Click on that. Now paste your meeting link into the provided text box. If your meeting is about to start, simply click Send Bot to Meeting. The SuperConstruct bot will immediately join the meeting using the provided link. If your meeting is scheduled for a later time, click Schedule Join Time, select the required date and time, and then click Schedule Bot. The bot will automatically join the meeting at the scheduled time. When the bot requests to join the meeting, simply admit it. Once admitted, the SuperConstruct bot will automatically begin recording the meeting. When the meeting ends, the bot will automatically leave the meeting. After the meeting is completed, return to SuperConstruct and click Stop Bot, then confirm by clicking Confirm Stop. Once the recording has been processed, you'll see the Play Recording option. From here, you can play or download the meeting recording whenever needed. Below that, click Show Transcript to view the complete transcript generated from the meeting recording. Finally, click Analyze with AI. SuperConstruct AI will analyze the meeting transcript and automatically generate a detailed meeting summary, key discussion points, action items, and identified risks. You can then create the generated action items directly as tasks in the To-Do module, making it easy to assign responsibilities and track follow-up work. For a detailed walkthrough of creating tasks from AI-generated action items, you can refer to our Meeting Minutes video, which is linked in the description. This is how the SuperConstruct Meeting Bot helps automate meeting recording, transcription, AI analysis, and task creation, saving your team valuable time and ensuring nothing is missed.